In this video, I will show you how to cast off your stitches. This is the technique used to finish off your projects and gives a nice, neat edge. Today, we're using our Crazy Sexy wool in the bronzed olive colourway, a pair of our 15mm maple knitting needles, and you'll also need a pair of sharp scissors. Let's get started. Begin by knitting your first 2 stitches. Insert your needle, wrap your yarn around, scoop at the new loop, push the old stitch off, and repeat again to knit your second stitch. Once you've knitted your first 2 stitches, you're going to take the tip of your left hand needle, insert it into the back stitch on the right hand needle, pull that stitch over the other stitch and off the right knitting needle completely, like so. So you're going to knit your next stitch, then using the tip of your left needle, lift that back stitch over and off. And you're just going to keep repeating those steps, knitting a stitch, so that then you have 2 stitches on the right needle, then using the tip of your left needle to pass the back stitch over and off. And you're going to keep working in this way until you have no stitches left on your left needle and 1 stitch left on your right needle. And I'll show you what to do next when we get to that point. So now you've knitted the last stitch off your left needle and your left needle is empty. Lift the back stitch over and off once more, and you'll find that you've got just 1 stitch left on your right needle. So to finish casting off your stitches, you're going to take your sharp pair of scissors and, leaving approximately a 15cm tail, cut your yarn. Now pull on your needle to make the loop bigger, slide out your needle and pass the end of the yarn tail through that loop and pull on it to fasten it off. And you can see you've got a nice, neat edge of cast off stitches. So there you have it. That's how to cast off your stitches.